Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're doing things, putting oil in the engine, get pumped, stay to the end, it's going to be sick. Hopefully it starts.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Alright, so right here, we have run-in engine oil. Okay, I didn't even know this existed. I've never had a new engine, but today we're doing it. We're doing the thing, mate. We're putting the engine oil in the engine, and yeah, there's mixed opinions on how you should do this, but we're putting in the run-in oil, starting it up, hopefully not glazing the ball, and then yeah, we're just gonna run it, check for leaks, and then take it to the tuner. Put it in. Hopefully the sump plug is done up. No, I did check that.
Oh, it's dripping. No, I'm kidding. Got 2 more cylinders than I'm used to.
All the cylinders. It's got 2 less cylinders than I'm used to.
Oh, wow.
Less is more. Alright, that's 5.
Do you want to check it? Nah.
Surely put some more in there. Got the right shit? Got the right one.
How come you're not running in oil?
This is.
Oh, I read it wrong. Don't worry. It's far away. I don't have my glasses. Oh, don't worry. I'm blind.
You say when?
When? Oh, sorry. I thought you told me to say when.
1 hour later.
That sounds good. Made the noise. So that was the first crank. Yeah, been doing a lot of fault finding. Had to do a lot of sensor configuration. I haven't been doing anything. This man has been helping me heaps. He doesn't want to be on camera, but Stephen, you're a weapon, mate. And yeah, he's setting it up here. Sensors are done. We still got to suss out the air oil temp sensor, but everything else is done. The fuel lines, I had a few leaks in a few places, but easy fixes. And yeah, we just set the fuel pressure and cranked over for the first time. It sounds good. The battery's probably getting low now. We had a wiring issue with the fuel pump relays, so I have to change those out with ones with diodes, so it was backfeeding back to the ECU and holding it on instead of turning off. But yeah, we're making progress and it's super exciting. Thought I'd give you a little update. But yeah, this shit takes so long, like so long, especially when you're figuring it out as you go. I'm not doing too much myself. I'm kind of just like passing tools and stuff like that, but that was crazy. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. There's not too much I can film because it's a very slow and long process, but yeah, very exciting. We got a spark? Oh shit. So we got crank, we figured out, when I say we, I mean Steve. Figured out the NZ wiring tree kit. So if you guys are doing a wiring specialties harness with an NZ tree kit with a Haltech Elite 2500, you'll have to change the pin outs. And I don't know what he changed, but we changed some pins because there's actually only 2 pins coming out of this sensor, but there's 4 wires coming out of the harness, which was confusing, but we figured that out. And then yeah, you have to change over some pins at the ECU, and Bob's your uncle, and we have a freaking RPM signal, so that's cool. And now we're just doing the timing light that I'm just learning about, which is pretty sick. I've never done anything with that before, and yeah, it's pretty exciting, pretty freaking cool. We are making good progress.
Some progress.
12 o'clock midnight.
Ready when you are, boss.
And then it's going to hopefully start. after about 5 seconds. And then
Like a fire, shut it off.
let go of the start button, shut it off.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep. You do the thing.
It's loud.
It's quite loud. And it did make some oil pressure.
Do what?
It did make some oil pressure.
Did it?
A smidge. Yeah. You got one still?
Wait. How much pressure in it?
I didn't say you could buy the pump on the
So, yeah, first start. It was just an on-off just to make sure it does start, and it bloody well does. It's very loud. So tomorrow, hopefully, we can make it run for a little bit and then shut it off. And yeah, man, we're getting bloody close now to finishing the first start saga, and then take it to the tuner, which is just wild. I haven't even like contemplating going to the tuner because so much shit to do. But yeah, exciting. Let's go back tomorrow and do some more. Sick. Alright, go. Yep. Oil pressure. Baby. So we're having some dramas with the oil pressure, and Steve came up with an idea. We used the brake line bleeder air compressor sucker kit. Made up some little attachment, chucked it on there and helped suck it as we cranked it because it was really struggling. And also I had this wired up backwards, plumbed in backwards, so we'll plumb it all in properly now and should be good. Should be good. Oil pressure is very, very exciting because we were getting a bit worried there. Well, I definitely was. I don't know about you.
Very.
Very worried. So yeah, another green tick, mate. Green tick. It's seriously loud. Definitely not running on all the cylinders, I don't think. But she's a bit of a beast, mate. Bit of a beast. What do you reckon?
I'm sure.
I'm sure. It's freaking loud.
Yeah. Sound like that.
A bit more smooth, you reckon? Alright, so update time. There is a bunch of oil on the floor. That should definitely not be on the floor. Yeah, so we got two major oil leaks. One at the front of the engine and one at the rear of the engine. I don't know why yet, but the front cover, I have to take that off and have a look. Hopefully that will reveal where that oil leak is. The rear one is like a lot of oil coming out, so hopefully it's like the head drain or something loose at the back. Can't actually see it at the moment, so I'm going to investigate that next. But massive thanks to Steve. You're a legend, mate. Like, I appreciate all your time. And yeah, the dude has probably put in over 10 hours, I'd say, on the car, fault finding with me, figuring out what's going on. And yeah, just I couldn't do it without him. He saved me a lot of mucking around for sure. But yeah, I'm going to jump into these oil leaks, figure out those, get a wideband sensor, and then just like tidying up a heap of things now. Got to do some wiring for the relays in the boot to make sure that they work how they should. We just had it temporarily wired up, but yeah, there's massive progress. Oil pressure, no fuel leaks, no misses anymore, and the trigger kit's wired up properly, sensors are calibrated, and yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good. Just got to suss the oil leaks. There's always something though. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, if you made it this far in the video, hit subscribe, because this is like the freaking awesome end of the build. Like, we're getting right up close now to the dyno, so I hope you guys are all as pumped as me, because it's gonna be so good hearing this thing. It is freaking loud. It's gonna be so loud on the dyno. I can't wait. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next episode.